Good morning. Today I want to explain the block diagram of input-output processor. Myself LB Pandey going to present the block diagram of IOP. First of all, the DMA mode of data transfer reduce CPU overhead in handling IO operation. It also allows parallelism in CPU and IO operations. Such parallelism is necessary to avoid wastage of valuable CPU time while handling IO device whose speed are much slower as compared to CPU. Now, the concept of DMA operation can be extended to relieve the CPU further from getting involved with the execution of IO operation. This gives rise to the development of a special purpose processor called input-output processor or IO channels. The input-output processor IOP is just like a CPU that handles the detail of IO operations. It is more equipped with facilities than those are available in typical DMA controller. The IOP can fetch and execute its own instructions that are specially designed to characterize IO transfer. In addition to the IO related tasks, it can perform other processing tasks like arithmetic, logic, branching and code translation. The main memory unit takes the pivotal role. It communicates with processor by the means of DMA. The block diagram is shown in the code. CPU, main memory are connected through bus, and between CPU and main memory bus and other IO devices there is a processor, that is IOP, input output processor. This processor can manage all the IO devices that are connected into the system. Now, the input-output processor is a specialized processor which loads and stores data into memory along with the execution of IO instruction. It acts as an interface between system and devices. It involves a sequence of events to executing IO operation and then store the results into the memory. Now, the advantage of IO processor is, first, the IO devices can directly access the main memory without the intervention by the processor in IO processor based system. Second advantage, it is used to address the problems that are arises in direct memory access method. Thank you.